Hi, I'm Amy. Here are simple instructions on how to get a driving license in Malaysia. 1. Sign up for driving lessons. Find a reputable driving school and sign up for driving lessons. You will need to provide relevant documents such as your ID card, passport size photo, and proof of residence. 2. Take theory classes. During theory classes, you will learn traffic rules, road signs, and driving etiquette. These classes will help you prepare for the theory test. 3. Pass the theory test. Take the theory test, which consists of multiple choice questions. Study the Malaysian road rules and the manual provided by the driving school to prepare for the test. 4. Practical driving lessons. After passing the theory test, you will begin taking practical driving lessons from a certified driving instructor. These lessons involve learning various driving techniques and maneuvers. 5. Pass the practical test. Once you feel confident in your driving skills, schedule a practical driving test. This test will assess your ability to drive safely and follow traffic rules. 6. Get a driving license. If you have passed the practical test, then congratulations. You can now apply for a driving license by submitting the required documents to the Road Transport Department, JPJ, and paying the necessary fees. Keep in mind that the process may differ slightly depending on your state, so it's best to check with your local driving school or JPJ for specific requirements and procedures. And there you have it. Now you know the step-by-step process of getting a driving license in Malaysia. But hey, that's not all we have for you. If you want to discover even more useful and intriguing knowledge, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We'll be sharing a wide range of captivating videos that dive deep into the world of peculiar facts and bizarre information. From mind-bending science experiments to jaw-dropping historical tales, you can count on us to keep you entertained and enlightened. Our videos will leave you craving for more, so don't miss out on the chance to expand your mind and impress your friends with your newfound expertise. Remember, learning doesn't have to be boring. So join our community of knowledge seekers, and together, let's explore the extraordinary. Make sure to like, comment, and share this video with others who are thirsty for knowledge. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.